They would love it. Those are some big hiccups. Those are some big hiccups. Yeah. Yeah, they are. What you doing? What you doing, huh? What you doing? It looks like he almost has dimples. Oh, goodness. Goodness. Those are the hiccups that I felt. Sometimes twice a day. Yeah. Yeah. See that dimple? Oh, hey. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.